Ready to showcase your amazing work to the world without breaking the bank? First, head over to Wix.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click on Create New Site. Then Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create. Choose Portfolio. Now, the fun part: selecting a template. Browse through the options and filter by portfolio to see the designs tailored for showcasing your work, and make sure to select the free templates to stay within budget. Pick one that resonates with your style. Remember, you can always customize it later. Once your template loads, it's time to personalize it. Click on any element: text, images, buttons to edit it. Replace the placeholder text with your own captivating descriptions and project details. Next, upload your work. Wix makes it easy to add images, videos, and even documents to your portfolio. Create galleries to showcase your projects in an organized and visually appealing way using the drag and drop functionality. Enhance your site with essential features using the Wix App Market. Add a contact form so potential clients can reach you. Integrate your social media profiles, and consider adding a blog to share your insights. Don't forget to optimize your site for mobile. Wix has a mobile editor that lets you ensure your portfolio looks great on any device, and this is essential to ensure everyone views your portfolio. Finally, preview your website to double-check everything looks perfect, then hit publish. You'll get a free Wix domain, so you can start sharing your amazing portfolio with the world right away. Now, go get those clients. #free portfolio #Wix website.